Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you all the ins and outs of becoming a cabin crew member. First thing I want to add here the introduction to cabin crew role. So the introduction of cabin crew is, let's kick things off by discussing what it takes to be a cabin crew member. So from providing excellent customer service to ensuring passengers safety, the role is diverse and rewarding as a cabin crew member. And if I talk about the second thing, and the second thing is qualification. एलिजिबिलिटी की बात करेंगे कैबिन क्रू में इंडिगो एयरलाइन में कौन सी एलिजिबिलिटी कितनी एलिजिबिलिटी मांगते हैं एज हाइट वेट एजुकेशन क्या चाहिए मैं सो एज यू मस्ट बी 18 ईयर्स ओल्ड एंड हाइट विल बी 155 सेंटीमीटर होनी ही चाहिए लाइक 5.1 फीट एंड वेट विल बी डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू योर हाइट लाइक जितना वेट है उतनी हाइट होनी चाहिए लाइक उसके हिसाब से होना चाहिए यू कैन चेक ऑन गूगल गो एंड गूगल जस्ट सर्च BMI कैलकुलेटर देन यू कैन फाइंड योर BMI. And the fourth one is education. So you must be 12 pass because in domestic airline they just have like वो बस 12 pass चाहते हैं. They don't want graduation, but in international airline you must be graduated. So yeah, this is the qualification. And English and Hindi will be fluent. Like you will be fluent in both languages, written and spoken both, and reading as well. So these are the eligibility criteria for being a cabin crew member in Indigo Airline. And in Air India Express, Air India as well. So yeah, now we will move forward the interview round. Now here we can talk about interview. कितने interviews होते हैं, कितने rounds होते हैं, क्या process है, I can tell you in detail. 10 girls जाती हैं, 10 girls साथ में जाती हैं, then HR आपकी CV ले लेते हैं, then she started asking question from your CV and anywhere like randomly question she picked and she will ask you like what's your hobby, introduce yourself, strength, weakness and all the things. So first round is a like group discussion we can say, or yeah 20 girls or 15 girls, it's depend on the location and the HR. And the second round will be like this. Second round is BMI round. वहाँ पे like they will check your height, weight, scars, marks, eyes and all the things in the second round. और जो थर्ड राउंड होता है उसमें they will like आपको एक लैपटॉप प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं और वीडियो के थ्रू HR होती हैं वो आपसे क्वेश्चंस करती हैं बट इस राउंड में यू हैव टू बी वेरी लाइक यू हैव टू गिव अ लॉन्ग आंसर्स एंड हियर दे विल चेक योर इंग्लिश ग्रामर योर कॉन्फिडेंस द वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग योर आंसर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दिस इज़ मोस्ट टफेस्ट लाइक राउंड I can say. This is the last round. This is fourth round and here this round will be like PI round, personal interview round, and one HR will be there. वो आपसे questions करेंगी related to you and you have to answer that question. Yeah, after that they will select you for direct or PhD to you. So yeah, these fourth round. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for turning. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of cabin crew. Remember, with dedication and passion, you can soar to new heights in your career. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career tips and advice. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.